Most people hear peptide therapy and imagine a vague promise of fat loss, better sleep, or tighter skin, but Ipamorelin and Tesamorelin aren't vague at all. They're precise tools, and when you understand what each one does, the entire growth hormone landscape suddenly makes sense. Let's start with Ipamorelin. This peptide acts on the ghrelin receptor, nudging your pituitary to release growth hormone in a gentle, controlled pulse. It's clean, predictable, and doesn't spike cortisol or prolactin the way older GHRPs did. People notice better sleep, faster recovery from training, improved tissue repair, and a subtle shift toward better body composition. Tesamorelin, on the other hand, takes a very different path. It's an FDA-approved analog of GHRH, the hormone that naturally tells your pituitary to release growth hormone. That makes tesamorelin stronger and more targeted, especially when it comes to reducing visceral fat, improving triglycerides, and supporting metabolic health. Its 2 milligram daily dose is one of the rare peptide protocols fully established by clinical trials. So here's the breakdown. Ipamorelin is the recovery peptide. Shout sleep, repair, collagen, and gentle GH support. Tesamorelin is the metabolic peptide. Visceral fat reduction, improved lipids, and stronger GH pulses. Different keys, same hormonal doorway, but very different outcomes. Both should be used with monitoring of especially IGF-1 and fasting glucose. And neither is appropriate for anyone with active cancer or uncontrolled diabetes. When used intelligently, these peptides aren't shortcuts. They're amplifiers of your own physiology. The goal isn't to override the body, it's to help it operate the way it was meant to. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. Peter Marino signing out.